Hello grade 10 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Miss Madhu Barke. We are studying chapter number 6, Triangles. We are learning how to apply basic proportionality theorem and its converse in various types of questions. In today's video class, we will continue to learn application of this theorem by solving questions of exercise 6.1. Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. We are given a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. So let's draw the figure. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and its diagonals intersect at point O. So what is given in the question? We don't need to write ABCD is a trapezium because from the figure it is clear, but we can mention that AB is parallel to CD in figure. What do we have to prove? AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. In order to use basic proportionality theorem, we must have a triangle and a line that cuts two of its sides and is parallel to the third side. In this figure, we have many triangles, but we don't have a line cutting its two sides. So, we are going to obtain that by some construction. So, we will draw a line EO that will be parallel to AB. So now look at this triangle ADB. In this triangle we have EO parallel to AB. I am going to separate this triangle from the figure so that applying basic proportionality theorem becomes easier. So in triangle DAB, we have EO parallel to AB. So we can apply the basic proportionality theorem saying that EO cuts DA and DB in equal proportion. So start with the triangle. In triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB. Therefore, DE upon EA will be equal to, I started from point D and I am writing the ratio in this direction. So, on the other side also, I will start from D and go in the same direction. So, DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. Mark this result as 1. Now find another triangle in which a line cuts two of its sides. So from the figure we can clearly see triangle ADC has EO cutting two of its sides, that is AC and AD. Can we say EO is parallel to DC? Yes, because EO is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to DC. So EO parallel to AB and AB parallel to DC. This implies EO is also parallel to DC. We have studied this theorem in grade 9, which says two lines that are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So drawing this triangle separate that we are going to consider now. Triangle DAC, in which EO is parallel to CD. So we can use basic proportionality theorem. So this implies DE upon EA. I am starting my ratios again from point D. So the other side will be OC upon OA. DE upon EA will be equal to CO upon OA. Mark this result as 2. The first result that we got was DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. Compare these two. Their left hand sides are same, so the right hand sides are also going to be equal. So this implies OC upon OA is equal to DO upon OB. But we have to prove in question that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So what we can do is we can interchange the positions of DO and OA in this equation. So OC upon OD will be equal to OA upon OB. And then we can arrive at the answer. Question number 10. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Notice that this question is exactly converse of question number 9. So we have a quadrilateral ABCD in which the diagonals intersect at point O such that these two ratios are equal. So we are given that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. What do we have to prove? That ABCD is a trapezium. For this quadrilateral to be a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides should be parallel. So we have to show that AB is parallel to CD. Again, we will have to follow the steps of the previous question, but in backward direction. In order to use basic proportionality theorem, we need to have a triangle and a line cutting two of its sides. We have many triangles in this figure, but we don't have a line that cuts two of its sides. So we are going to use construction, which is draw a line EO parallel to AB. So EO is parallel to AB. So we can use basic proportionality theorem in triangle ADB. In which sides DA and DB are cut by line EO that is parallel to AB. We can say that DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. Mark this result as 1. Now we are given that AO upon OB is equal to CO upon OD. So what result did we get in step 1? DE upon EA is equal to DO upon OB. In order to use the information that is given in the question, we need to rearrange these terms so that we are able to get the ratio DO upon OB. So what we can do is we can shift CO to the left side and OB to the right side. So we get AO upon OC equal to OB upon OD. Now we can take reciprocal. So OC upon AO is equal to OD upon OB. Mark this step as 2. Now compare the result of step 1 and step 2. The right hand sides are same. So the left hand sides can be equated. So we get DE upon EA equal to OC upon OA. Now locate these ratios in the figure and find the triangle to which they belong. DE upon EA is equal to OC upon OA. So in this triangle, ADC, where EO is cutting AD and AC in equal ratio. We can say that EO is parallel to DC by using converse of BPT. So this implies EO parallel to DC from converse of BPT. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment is example 2 of the textbook exercise. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.